Hello guys. Now I come back to Azure 9606 Part 1 2017, and this is the step form. I would like to show you how to make it and double check any mistake from your qualification, your weather qualification, and how to make it. And first we need to update your employer name and address information. And that's one update from license 6. You copy and paste to here. Next two, for the designation, this one automatic update from us when we update all information here. This line number 4 will be automatic filling in this form. And certificate number, this one for individual certification you can update from here with your certificate number managed by your company. And the photo also, you insert a photo to here. And next two, you need to update the WBS number, examiner or examining body update from us. You can choose and contact to us to get a license copy. How much is it? Now we show for this one row $5, just small one, a cup of coffee I get from there. You can use the format form and the formula from us so easy. So I recommend you order from here, or you can make on that by your side, and then you make like copy this form and make by yourself. I don't worry. You should not worry about that. Update your with the name, with the ID name, this requirement, birthday and location, and place of birthday to be updated here by your side. And standards qualification update by your side, code standards and addiction. Job knowledge, state or not state to be updated here. Almost qualified, science qualification are subject to testing for job knowledge. If you have program and performance for qualification, you should be follow and say yes, and that is and documentation should be shown. And they update to be updated exactly the date of this. Maybe the date of issue to become later, but the qualification from the that is day. Okay, for next one, we show you very variable here. Both side you can download and see how to correct it as an errors when you just later. Now we need to zoom out to see it. This first one example, we're choosing the welding process 111. This MMA welding process and then qualifications also for MMA welding processing manual. And the transformers not apply for transformers for MMA and AW also NA. On another for mismatch welding should be applied transformers type of transfer. Okay, we back 111 when qualification. We choosing testing place on B or T here. That's B you perform on place T on tubular or pipe also. When you qualify on tube, on plate also qualify for pipe. So the range of qualification like mason diameter and backing requirements at the bottom we go up. Next one, we choose this type of weld, burst weld or fillet weld, or may you choose type of fillet and burst weld to combine together. Okay, we choose burst weld. And bare and metal rod you should be record here, or may you choose this type of material. That's one just required to follow your approval WBS and a true material and range qualification within the ISO 9606 Part 1. So from group number 1 until number 11 for this standard application. Okay, we can join the number 1.2 and body adjustment not following for requiring weather qualification. And the filler method, you're choosing the number one followed by FM1 and FM2. This is correctly. And the filler method design is you see the NA here. So when you see the NA, should be see the right column. You just line number 18. You should be just for like 13 or see table 4 or table 5. Okay. Exactly. For every my welding research, we're choosing the root type. Root is wrong. This should be example for we're choosing the coverage electrodes, not the root electrodes. So the different type of and different type of costing flow coverage. Okay, for that's should be show. Here should be applied because when we're choosing MMI welding research, the shooting gas not quite. We should be to NA. Yes. Here we statement in the form not require a range of qualification and essential variable for whether not required here. And auxiliary none, okay, we bypass for the current and polaristic. So we're choosing follow the WS status. Okay, for next one, very important, we just when the material technique and deposit technique, okay. When now we need to check for lay system. In case of we choosing the burst well, that means the material technique to be stuck here, and then qualification automatic calculation for you. And when it's like the few fillets well, so the deposit technique be hidden already. Yes, hidden already. Because deposit technique A apply for S deposit technique S apply for burst well and fillet well not required. Okay, fillet well we hide this information. In scale we choosing deposit technique should be less than material technique. Example, we make more than 25 millimeter. Example for 30 millimeter. This is wrong. This wrong. Update information. We should be 1.5. It's wrong also, but we can select a better burst well. It's okay. Combination Bayesian combination through technique. Maybe you make the qualification on the plate of pipe with the support, the roof part by ZTIW and balance around 20 millimeter cover by short. So you can separate about the certificates separately. And the rate of qualification calculated by a tool deposit technique and material technique. They are differently. If you qualify single rosette for the test cube, so 100% millimeter, 100% material deposit technique to cover. This one, the nominal technique, do not cover reinforcement or accessory road or cap, not quite. You follow for visual inspection to elevation, shape or not, the test cube. Okay, material take the 20 millimeter, so the range qualification from 3 to alignment stick, also the positioning is 3 to alignment stick. And now we come back to by diameter. By diameter exactly hidden already because we're choosing place and when we're choosing tube. How does? Okay, when we're choosing tube, that means the diameter to be a base here. Example, we take around 100 millimeter. So the range qualification is 1/2 a 30 meter from 250 millimeter until alignment stick. And we come back for the position in burst well until the BEBS is wrong. We should be check well location. Should be check line number 15 and 16. 15 and 16 we check again if for 2 or no we changing or maybe BF or halo 045. So when we qualify maybe for all F does mean flat position, A horizontal, O overhead and V vertical, and variable rotation is up one, a vertical up. So when we change to this one to qualify on place, and this is also wrong, and outside diameter also be high here, and rate of qualification also changing for fish by more than 500 millimeter and rotating by more than 75 millimeter, and the actual diameter be high already. And variable position also choosing another. Maybe we combine as BE and BF. Okay, let us just BE. Here, BE and BF we cover powder place at BE position and BF position. So the range qualification from maybe for all position is it downhill. Okay, next one we just the very detail. We have to more than one type of backing or NAS. S and B, that means single side with the backing, almost used for GTIW. Another maybe they use single side with metal backing. Okay. In case of we subject to combine process technique with GTIW for the boost part, and the second we apply and balance we apply with SN, MMI, MMIW. So the deposit technique might be exactly less than the two methodology, and the first layer or root layer consider metal backing. So the same one. Or we apply by the side. So we apply by the side the range of qualification of differently. The same metal backing. We apply with single side gas packing, and when we subject to for stainless steel, carbon is packing and flow packing. Flow packing almost subject for uh, mixed mass and 1% CO2 gas shielding. Okay, for MI we should be subject metal backing. So for 20 millimeters, the multi-layer, not a single layer. Okay, ML stick up and when you would like to subject to cover on blade and bite, so that means you should be to here an additional step for fill as well. Maybe when you finish this position, BE and BF for the bus wear, you would like to subject for bus wear and fill as well. That means you additional 13 for this case are set at BB position and flat position for fill as well, and additional test for fracture or alternate by macro test for the fill as well to cover requirement that combine of fillets and birthwear together. Okay, for next one, you will like to subject with brand should be install brand angle here. Okay, if not, almost the wearer not required to subject. Yeah, okay, only combine fillets. And next two, we need to perform static required. When we perform BA and PF position, we subject to two tests for radiography step. In case we're using the ferrous material, maybe you ultrasonic step together. And additional, we should be do fracture test for fillet wear. When you say aseptic, fracture test should be followed or macro examination. Up to you. Okay, you can check and I here when you check that one and high, and then you update your information from here. When we say yes, update here, that means automatic information update for your report from here. If all test visual radiography state and macro test, that means mechanical tests have been done, but you should be state who you perform that qualification certificate, follow ISO 17025 qualification, and also destructive test alternate UT to RT not in the report should be stick here, and who evaluation accept the report. After complete, we come back again. The test is day. The testing day here you will valid some case. If you qualify from neighbor variation, revaluation neighbor 3A, B, and C. So revaluation neighbor 3A within 3 years, and B subcore P within 2 years, and subcore C within 6 months. And after that, you should be additional that and all continue log for welder. Continue log in welder, you can open this file. There are some file on high already, and the record and form with additional for your file. Here you update in the back side, back form. You take on high by form and update your information there's value until additional segment to get next segment, and confirm report should be using any report for volume, any report like RTUT with projects you pass already or current projects, and then side by your managed quality or revalued by examiner or examining body. And where we do star mark here should be revalued by qualified by examiner or examining body. Now we provide for review, and we should be check your report, or maybe you additional one test coupon to cover that. Okay, I need to hide this one. And quick information to update here you can show, and when we update to you when you get a license. Except we upgrade new revision. Now we come back again when we check. One we're interested in how to filling data in the left column. You can see where location you can we can gel the droplets that mean here the droplets, and filling data that's mean updates by your side. Okay. And the right side, we fix the errors. When you see the NA in the errors, you can check with like example for like 14, you should be checked for like 30. In the first video, I talked already, when you choosing the FCIW welding process, the transformer should be checked. Okay. Should be checked. The range of qualification you see in the right column. So when you see NA here, it should be checked. Relation 13. This process and this cover letters for basis MMI, not cover for CO2 FCIW welding process. So we should be checked together. And now we come back again 111 and transformer for wrong. This should be a state. And here we finish the certification for welder. Maybe if you need to train in how to mock up from there and how to get data from, and we take around 2.5 hours for training, get the support. Please contact to us. We will remote and interact you via MS Team, and contact us via email or shop website. Any change you can do and contact to us. Anyway, we find no interesting. We hope you have any comment or take for enrollment. Let me know. Thank you again. Bye bye.